हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया। मरते मरते रहा बांकपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। राह कुर्बानियों की नवीरान हो, तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले। फतेह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है, जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले। बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
वतन के मर मिटने वालों का यही बाकी निशान होगा। नोएडा शहीद स्मारक संस्था की ओर से आज इस पावन स्थल पर आयोजित विजय दिवस समारोह में आए सभी गणमान्य अतिथियों का मैं कवि संजय करबंदा और मेरी साथी कमेंटेटर श्रीमती तुलसी करबंदा हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। आइए आज के इस कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ देशभक्ति गीत के साथ किया जाए। गीत के बोल हैं हर कदम वतन। This memorial was dedicated to the nation on 13th of April 2002, jointly by all the three service chiefs, Army, Navy and Air Force. And this possibly is the only memorial in the country which owes its creation to the relentless efforts of the veterans aiming from all the three services. And it is a matter of great pride and honor that this memorial is being solely managed by the ex-servicemen community with full support from Noida Authority and all the institutions of Arun Vihar and Jalvayu Vihar. The chief guest for today's Vijay Diwas function is Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra, Sarvottam Yudh Seva Medal, Ati Vishesh Seva Medal, Air Officer Commanding in Chief, Western Air Command. A little word about the function. Ladies and gentlemen, on the arrival of the chief guest, all present are requested to stand. शस्त्र का word of command देगा. शोक शस्त्र पे men in uniform जो भी वर्दीधारी हैं वो सैल्यूट करेंगे, बाकी सब अटेंशन में खड़े रहेंगे. उसके बाद मिश्रा सर्वोत्तम युद्ध सेवा मेडल, अति विशेष सेवा मेडल, विशेष सेवा मेडल, AOC-INC, Western Air Command. He was commissioned into the as a fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force on 6th of December 1986. He is a highly experienced fighter pilot with over 3,000 hours of flying experience, has flown more than 18 types of fighter aircraft, transport aircraft and helicopters. He is an alumnus of Air Force Test Pilot School, Bangalore and Air Command and Staff College, USA, is also Royal College of Defence Studies, United Kingdom. He is a fighter combat leader and an experimental test pilot. His important field assignments include Chief Test Pilot at the HAL Bangalore as well as the aircraft chief guest. Let me bring about certain aspects to you. We have a total of 21 Paramveer Chakras in the Indian Army starting from 1947 to 1999. Out of these 21 Paramveer Chakras, 14 were given posthumously, यानी कि 14 मरणोपरांत दिए गए. आज की तारीख में सिर्फ 3 जिंदा है और वो बटालियन जिसको मैक्सिमम परमवीर चक्र मिले गए वो है ग्रेनेड्स. और सबसे कम आयु में जिसको परमवीर चक्र मिला सेकंड लेफ्टिनेंट अरुण खेत्रपाल, जिनके नाम पे अरुण विहार बसा हुआ है. और आज से ठीक 4 दिन बाद यानी कि 25 को क्रिसमस वाले दिन सेकंड लेफ्टिनेंट अरुण खेत्रपाल के ऊपर बॉलीवुड की पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है. पिक्चर का नाम है 21.
Major General C.J. Jayachandran, ADGE, Personnel, E&C Branch, Army Headquarters. He was commissioned into the Corps of Engineers, Bombay Sappers, on 8th June 1991. He has commanded 411 Independent Para Fleet Company and 104 Engineer Regiments. He has been Chief Engineer of a Corps, Deputy MS and Army Headquarters, and Chief Engineer Central Command. He holds BTech, MSc and 2 MPhil degrees. He assumed the present appointment in July 2025. He was commissioned into the Indian Navy in November 1994. He is an MTech and PhD in Electronics and Telecom. He has done the Naval Higher Command course and NDC from India. He is the Commissioning Deputy Electrical Officer of INS Jalashwa. He has to his credit 9 papers published in international and Scopus Index journals. He assumed his present appointment on 1st December 2025.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special guest in Camberley, commanded 117 Engineer Regiment. As a Lieutenant, he was GOC 4 Corps, Commander-in-Chief at Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Eastern Army Commander, and Vice Chief of the Army Staff. On 30th April, he took over as the 29th Chief of the Army Staff. He is the only officer from the Corps of Engineers, and also first from non-infantry, non-armored corps, non-artillery to become the Chief of the Army Staff. Avi Chakra 1, Kirti Chakra 1, Veer Chakra 3, Sena Medal Gallantry 3 and Shaurya Chakra 2. The NOKs will later read in the following sequence. First of all, I will announce the rank and name of the Shaheed, his arm of service, the operational area and the year of casualty, along with the name of NOK and their relationship. Captain Vijay Karkare, Veer Chakra Porthomus, 35 Light Regiment, Indo-Pak War, 1971, wife Mrs. Anjali Vasundhara Karkare. Squadron Leader I.H. Naqvi, Indian Air Force, Siachen Glacier, 1984, wife Mrs. Nargis Naqvi. Rakshak JNK 1990, daughter Miss Bhavna Singh. Lieutenant D.R. Anand, Intelligence Corps, Op Rakshak 1990, daughter Mrs. Pooja Tikku. Major K. Naurial, Kirti Chakra Posthumous, 41GR, Op Rakshak 1990, wife Mrs. Uma Naurial.
Siachen, 1995, Mother Mrs. Kiran Sharma. Colonel K.L. Gupta, Infantry, 9 Gorkha Rifles, Op Rakshak, JNK, 1995, wife Mrs. Vijay Gupta. Captain Shashikant Sharma, Sena Medal Gallantry, Posthumous, Armored Corps, 15 Armored Regiment, Siachen, 1998, Father, Flight Lieutenant J.P. Sharma. Brother, Mr. Vijendra Thapar. Flight Lieutenant M. Trikha, I, Indian Air Force, Siachen, 2002. Brother, Mr. Punish Trikha. Major Uday Singh, Shaurya Chakra, Sena Medal Gallantry, Infantry, 1 Para, Special Forces, Oprakshak, J&K, 2003, Father Colonel K.K. Singh.
Era 14 of Hifazat Manipur 2007, Father Wing Commander K.L. Mehra. This is Sunita Chibbar. Lieutenant Commander Rahul Nair, Indian Navy. Aircraft crash 2010, Brother Dr. Deepak Nair. Lieutenant Colonel Santosh Kumar, 28 Gorkha Rifles, Op Falcon 2012, wife Mrs. Neelam Kumar. वार्ड 9 जो कि बीपीएस रोड पे है, जिसे उदय के याद में नेम किया गया है, तो वार्ड जो कि बीपीएस के सामने है, वरुण चुब्बर के नाम पे डेडिकेटेड है।
3 Para, Special Forces, Oprakshak J&K, 2021, wife Mrs. Aparna Sharma. General Bipin Rawat, PVSM, UYSM, AVSM, YSM, SM, VSM, Infantry 11GR, on duty, Hector Crash 2021, daughter Ms. Tarini Rawat.
To honor the unknown soldier, on behalf of the complete Noida veteran fraternity, the wreath is being laid by Air Vice Marshal Prashant Mohan, Vayu Sena Medal, Gallantry. He was commissioned into the Indian Air Force while performing the duties of commanding officer, MiG-21 and Squadron. On 4th February 2008, he was authorized to fly a low flying chase sortie in a MiG-21. During a turn at a very low level, he heard a thud, bird hit. Correctly analyzing the situation at the very instant as the bird hit, his actions of controlling the aircraft were extremely prompt. An ejection was imminent, but he took a deliberate decision and throttled back during the climb. It needed high degree of physical strength to pilot the aircraft. He skillfully maneuvered the aircraft and stayed clear of the populated areas. The officer displayed exemplary willpower, tenacity, and professional courage of the highest order. Elected not to eject and get the aircraft back, a future reference. For displaying exceptional courage in handling an aircraft emergency,
the next to pay homage are eminent Lieutenant General G.L. Bakshi, PDSL, Chairman, Noida Shaheed Smarak Sanstha. Mr. Yamuna Prasad, Indian
Arun Vihar Residents Welfare Association. Lieutenant Colonel Padaman Singh, President, Arun Vihar Community Center. Colonel Subhash Sharma, President, Army Veterans Institute Club. पूरा और फुल सहयोग और सपोर्ट हमेशा मिलता रहा है।
Horticultural Department, Noida Authority. हमारी युवा पीढ़ी के प्रतिनिधि और नए भारत के निर्माता, जिनमें देश प्रेम की भावना जागृत करना नोएडा शहीद स्मारक संस्था का मुख्य उद्देश्य है। अपने श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करेंगे। सबसे पहले मिस तिस्या मिश्रा, हेड प्रीफेक्ट APS Noida. She has represented her school in several inter-school debates and academic forums. She reflects the values of discipline, academic commitment, and leadership upheld by Army Public School. Master Ojasvi Singh Rana, Class 10 topper of school 24-25 with a score of 97%, a key and proficient quizzer, state level gold medalist in karate, currently selected as part of Noida City Football Club for the Delhi Youth League.
खुल के तालियां बजा दीजिए, हाथ के गर्म रहेंगे बच्चों का हौसला। इनकी म्यूजिक टीचर श्रीमती पूनम बहुखंडी प्राइमरी विंग की हैं, एक बार उनके लिए भी तालियां।
And here across the road
to paucity of time, it has not been possible to accommodate all the respected guests who wanted to pay their homage during the ceremony. Flower petals have been placed on both sides of the cenotaph
So how big is
to
the stone?
facilitate all those who wish to offer their tribute. Please feel free to offer floral tributes to the martyrs.
आप सभी से निवेदन है जो कि पुष्प चढ़ाना चाहते हैं, अपने श्रद्धांजलि देना चाहते हैं,
So we would request.
जरूर आगे आइए और उसके बाद
He's a national level gymnast.
Oh, great. And you sing also? Very nice, very nice. Well done, beta. बहुत अच्छा गा रहा है. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. What is this instrument called? Kahan. I've seen it for the first time. This one, sir? Is it, sir?
Very popular with the children, percussion instruments and
So, but does it produce different?
it does.
It's different pitches, different?
Yeah.
Put the weight on it.
Oh, अच्छा.
That's what
The guy sits on it.
So it's meant for light people, is it? You're very heavy then you break, no? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. So I just want to say that I just want to say that I am fortunate and I am grateful for having been invited here. And जैसे बच्चों ने बताया कि हमें ऐसे समाज की रचना करनी है जो अपने देश पे बलिदान होने के लिए तैयार है। और ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि हमें अपने देश के लिए सिर्फ अपनी जान अपनी ज़िंदगी का बलिदान देकर अपने देश की रक्षा करें। हम सब लोग, हमारे देश के सभी नागरिक अपने देश के लिए ऐसे समाज की रचना करें जिसमें हम अपने देश के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लें और देश को अमृत काल की तरफ आगे ले जाएं। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
So many years have gone by. Given to you in writing address to you for release of NIG to be installed in Italy.
When was this? I have not seen this yet. Is this recent? I can't see a date on this.
ये तो अभी की है।
हाँ अभी की है ना? अच्छा अभी है हाँ। For this place?
Italy.
I will show this. Surely look into it. No doubt.
Great friend of Maharaj Ranjit Singh. I was running into my idea.
Sir.
10th of February. Writing the army chief and the
Sir.
10th February the martyrdom day of Lord Chancellor. 10th February से पहले लगा 206
Sir.
से पहले लगना चाहिए
Sir. Sir.
आर्मी
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. चल आप
ये वीडियो चालू हो गया, ये बंद हो गया। चल तो रहा है भाई, इसको जोर से दबा।
आगे से लो वेलकम। फौज में हमारी दस्तूर है कि कोई भी बैंड बजा रहा हो ना, हम अपने यंग ऑफिसर्स को बोला करते हैं कि उनके पास ज़रूर जाइए। बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को।
थैंक यू सर।
हमारा ट्रेडिशन है ये
सर
और मैं आपके साथ डन।
DSM, Air Officer Commanding in Chief, Western Air Command, Left Army, Major General Jayachandran, ADG Personnel, PC Branch, Army Headquarters, Left Navy, Rear Admiral Iftikhar Alam, NN, ADG Warship Designs Bureau, Naval Headquarters, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege today to welcome warmly on behalf of Sanskar and myself, firstly our chief guest, Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra, Major General Jayachandra and his wife, Mrs. Very happy to have you with us. And if I may say, it's always a privilege to welcome people who come along to the memorial and join us for this ceremony, as also the next one which happens in the February. I would like to share with you that our chief guest graduated from NDA and was commissioned as a fighter pilot into the Indian Air Force on 6 December 1986. He has a highly excellent accomplishment and professional experience record, having spent 3,000 hours of flying time in flying aircrafts, fighters and transport, as also helicopters. He has held very high and prestigious appointment in his career, both in the Air Force and with the Integrated Defense Staff. In fact, he happens to be the second AOCC Western Air Command to come to us. Earlier, we have had the privilege of welcoming Air Marshal S.B. Deo in 2016. And we are very happy. And in fact, if I may say so, the aircraft that we have displayed in our memorial was kind courtesy the AOC in chief, and he was.
Thank you, beta. It was a little. Thank you.
Lieutenant General G.L. Bakshi, Chairman Noida Shaheed Smarak Sansthan, families of the martyrs who are available with us today, officers, veterans, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and my greetings to you all. Freedom is not free. The statement holds true for the sacrifices that our nation's warriors made to ensure that we enjoy the freedom that we have today. Today is an occasion where we can pause and reflect on the valor of our braves who paid the ultimate price to defend our country and the ideals that we hold so dear. I am humbled to be present here today to pay homage to our warriors gone. I would like to salute these valiant souls and reassure the families that the selfless act of their dear ones will always be remembered by the grateful nation. This Smarak is the symbol of our resolute spirit and the firm commitment of our warriors, which reminds us that this freedom, when threatened, must be protected at all cost, that our society or the nation may have to pay for it. The heroes that we honor today come from all economic backgrounds, religions, various parts of the society and diverse backgrounds. They hail from all over the country and many of them have migrated from far away to join the three armed forces. The one common aspect in all of them, this diverse group, was the belief that India, that is Bharat, is a nation that is worth dying for. Some of the heroes here may have earned prestigious awards and military decorations, but I am very well cognizant that there are soldiers known only to God and countless veterans who could not be recognized for their bravery due to either lack of witnesses or want of paperwork in time. But I must assure you all that in my mind and in all our minds, their deeds were no less heroic, and we are grateful to them also, whether we know them by name or we do not know them by name. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here so that we remember their sacrifices and celebrate this simple fact throughout our history. Our great country, our dear motherland, is honored that she produces such men and women who, with a deep sense of duty and honor, willingly sacrifice their lives in defending her honor. We must never forget them. Before I conclude this short address of mine, I would like to thank the chairman and the entire organization of Shaheed Smarak for this noble initiative and for giving me the opportunity to be here today to pay the homage and to share my thoughts with you all. I also want to say that it is by compassion that a community progresses, and the effort put in by each and every one of you, whether it is physical, monetary, being part of the organization, or just by being present here today, having traveled, got ready and traveled this morning, this cold Saturday morning to be here, it all goes towards making this a privileged occasion for me to have come to. They say that it is foolish. They say that it is foolish to mourn the men who died. Rather, we should thank God that they lived. And we should consider ourselves fortunate to have lived alongside some of them. Let us be grateful for the brave warriors who gave their lives for our country, and let us strive to live up to their example of service and sacrifice. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind.